Today we're going to be working on solving two-step equations. And what we know when we're solving equations is that we want to get the x by itself, and we always have to do the same thing to both sides in order to keep things equal. So we're going to practice in this video with two different equations. The first equation is negative 2x plus 3 equals 5.5. So I know I want to get these x's by itself. And so I'm looking on the left side of my equation where the x's are. And I want to get these x's by themselves, so I have to get rid of this 3 here. And I know to get rid of a positive 3, I'm going to either add a negative 3 or subtract 3. On the left side of my equation, 3 minus 3 is just 0. All I have left over is this negative 2x. And 5.5 minus 3, I could do that on my calculator, but I think I know that that is 2.5. Alright, well now I've got a negative 2x, but I don't want to know what negative 2x equals. I want to know what 1x equals. And since this right here is multiplication, we're doing x times that negative 2. To get rid of this negative 2, I'm going to divide by negative 2. Make sure it's still a negative. And I have to do the same thing to the other side, divide by negative 2. Now I know negative 2 divided by negative 2 equals 1. So we just have 1x equals, here I'm just going to pull out my calculator, 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. But since I know this was a positive divided by a negative, I know my answer is going to be negative 1.25. And there's my answer. X equals negative 1.25. Alright, here's one last equation for practice. Negative 1 equals x over 4 minus 3. Okay, here's the x over 4. I want to get this x over 4 by itself. So this minus 3 is in the way. To get rid of this minus 3 or this negative 3, I need to add 3 to both sides. And negative 1 plus 3 equals positive 2. Negative 3 plus positive 3 equals 0. So now I have this x over 4 equals 2. Now I want to get rid of this divide by 4. This is x divided by 4. To get rid of the divided by 4, I'm going to multiply this side times 4 and the other side times 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. On this side, I can act like I'm multiplying two fractions here. X times 4 is just x times 4, or 4 times x, over 4 times 1 is 4. Well, now I can do 4x divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So all I have left over is 1x. And we get that x equals 8.